Wait, where's the peacock?
Peacocks. Oh, I guess they don't have peacocks here.
Oh, there they are. How pretty.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's 3 of them.
Holy crap, they had a baby. Whoa, jeez.
Where's the baby?
That's the big one. They did have a baby. They had an egg a long time ago.
Yeah, but which one's the baby?
I'm guessing
The dark blue one has to be the male.
yeah, so I
Because
know.
males are much, much bigger. I think the one that came out, I think the one right there's the mother.
Hey, little peacocks.
Look at her, it's so cute! There's other birds. There were other birds in here. They just fly in and out.
I know, because it's a bird cage.
Look at it! It's all fluffy!
Yeah, let's go in the cage and grab it.
No, Ellie, let's go find the other animals.
I know there's a pig around here.
Pig? Really?
Yes.
I want to see it.
It's icy.
I want to see a fat pig.
Oh, it's not bad. It's actually kind of cute. And if it's a mom,
No.
and if it's a girl, guess what? There might be a baby in there. It's over here somewhere. It's that one right there. Let's go.
Emily, I can't run.
Well, it's not like there's any ice around here, and there is. Hello. Piggy? Piggy, are you? There it is. Piggy.
It's so cute.
It used to be a lot smaller.
Oh, look at it. It's so cute.
You can pet it. It's nice.
Its nose feels so weird. Put your hand up to its nose.
Hello, little piggy.
We're only allowed to pet the pig.
I know
peacock.
there's one more animal, but I don't. Oh yeah, the chicken.
Chicken where?
I thought they were over there. I guess they got rid of them. Wait. Oh, there they are. Hey, the piggy, sweet.
I think the piggy wants to go back to bed.
Well, we can hide him. Okay, come on, follow me. The chicken.
Really? Chicken?
Yes.
Chicken? Chicken? Chicken?
Chicken coop. Are they in there? They're probably cold. We can look in the windows, I guess. I like the piggies more. It's not. They're not coming out. I like the piggies cute.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Want to go back to see the piggy?
Yeah, let's go see the piggy. You can run.
Yeah, but
Piggy!
Alright, I'm not running this way.
Piggy.
I'm telling my mom I got to touch a pig. Oh, it's so cute. Doing that.
He smells like Doritos.
I got pig nostrils.
Yeah, that's why I'm not petting it.
It's so cute. It's adorable.
I want to feed it.
Let's go see owner if we can.
Let's see what Dad's doing to the peacocks.
Yeah, let's go see.
I know he's doing something to them.
Like, Dad, what are you doing?
Either that or that guy's feeding them. We're feeding them! I'm feeding them. Oh, God. Here you go. on. Oh well, we can go back to the beach. I guess we could get pet. Oh, smells. Flammable gas. I want to see where he's going. Oh, he went inside. I guess there's no other animals. Here's the piggy again. Piggy, piggy! Oh, I guess we can be done with the video.